Install a new toner cartridge or replace a toner cartridge that is low or depleted in an HP Color LaserJet managed E87640, E87650, or E87660. Open the front door to access the toner cartridges. If replacing a low or depleted toner cartridge, pull the handle to unlatch the cartridge and remove it from the printer. Remove the new toner cartridge and the installation and recycling instructions from the box. Keep the cartridge in the plastic bag to prevent toner dusting. Hold the cartridge vertically with the blue cross handle facing down. Keeping the cartridge vertical, shake it vigorously up and down 5 times. You must shake the toner cartridge vertically to make sure the toner distributes evenly throughout the cartridge. Remove the toner cartridge from the bag and set the bag aside. Remove the desiccant packet and tape. Take note of the direction indicated by the arrows on the blue cross handle. Hold the cartridge at a 45-degree angle and turn the blue cross handle 2 full rotations in the direction indicated by the arrows on the handle. If there is resistance inside the cartridge, continue to turn until the handle turns smoothly. Pull the cross handle as you turn it to release it from the cartridge, and then remove it from the cartridge. Slide the toner cartridge into the printer until it locks in place. Repeat this process for each toner cartridge and then close the front door.